Hi there, I'm going to make Kachalu today. It's Ramzan and Kachalu and Ramzan, the fast goes hand in hand for me. It's a very nice Chapata recipe. So we need a whole potato, maybe a couple, three, depends how many you want. I have one big russet potato. I have the coriander seeds, about 1.5 tablespoons. Red chilies, whole, depending on how spicy or less spicy do you want. So these is one set. This is the next set. This is a finishing set, which is salt, lemon juice, pudina, that is mint, hara dhania, which is cilantro, coriander, and some extra green chilies finely chopped. You can add or remove, it's all up to you. And then we will need your little faithful ninja to grind these things. So we will go and roast these two first. Very little oil. If you notice, there's not much oil. It's just enough to roast these things together. So we will roast it till fragrant. You will smell the coriander, and it's really very fragrant once it gets roasted. Okay, so we don't have to brown this, like I said, just enough that you can smell the fragrance. And so I'm just going to turn it off and take it out and let it cool before I grind it. We need to just grind it to a very thick consistency. We don't want to powder. Here it is. It's a very thick, coarse grind that I have. So here it is. You don't want it like really smashed, so you want it like just thickly broken like. And now all you do is just dump everything in there. The lemon, the coriander, and of course your salt to taste, how much ever you want. And just mix it, basically. That's all you need to do.